You wash your hands every day, or at least you think you do. But do you really know what you're risking when you forget just once? In this video, you'll discover 5 diseases you can catch just by touching things. And number 3, it's way more common than you think and say our hands touch everything. Phones, door handles, money, keyboards, food, and on all these surfaces, millions of germs are just waiting for a free ride. On average, you touch your face 23 times per hour. See the problem? It's like rolling out the welcome mat for viruses, bacteria, and sometimes much worse. Let's break down 5 common but preventable infections you can catch from poor hand hygiene. Number 1, gastroenteritis, fever, vomiting, diarrhea. This highly contagious virus spreads through contact. One handshake, one unwashed spoon, that's all it takes. Number 2, hepatitis, a viral liver infection spread through fecal contamination. Often transmitted by dirty hands or contaminated food, it can knock you out for weeks. Number 3, dysentery, abdominal pain, high fever, bloody stools. It's a serious intestinal infection, especially common where hygiene standards are low. Number 4, intestinal worms, pinworms, roundworms. Their tiny eggs can cling to your fingers. Swallow just one by accident and they can settle inside your body. Very common among children. Number 5, typhoid fever. Less common but extremely dangerous. Caused by Salmonella typhi. It leads to high fever, abdominal pain, and severe fatigue. All it takes is unwashed hands after using the bathroom. The one thing all of these diseases have in common, they're almost entirely preventable with proper hand washing. And no, not a quick 5-second rinse. A real hand wash means soap, clean water, at least 30 seconds, scrub palms, fingers, thumbs, nails, then dry with a clean towel or air dry. We tend to underestimate this simple act, yet it saves millions of lives every year. Parents, teachers, healthcare workers, kids, no one is immune, but everyone can do something. If this video taught you something new, don't forget, subscribe, give it a like, and share it with someone, because this message needs to spread, not the germs. See you soon, and don't forget, wash your hands.